Lisa Somerville for Divinity Designs. Today I'm here to share with you the stitched Sunburst die. This die measures 4 by 5 1/4. You can also use this die to make shaker cards. Die cut and emboss this die following the directions for your die cutting machine. Embossing the die will bring out the details of the die. I've gone ahead and die cut and embossed the stitched Sunburst die from white cardstock. Then remove the cardstock from the die. Just like our quilt dies, you're going to have a frame and then all the die cut pieces that were in the frame. To make assembling my card easier, I used adhesive backed paper and then die cut a piece of cardstock. Now using the frame panel, align your edges and adhere in place. I've gone ahead and die cut and embossed a second stitched Sunburst from yellow cardstock. And because I used adhesive backed paper on the panel underneath, I can easily add those pieces in place. And die cut your card base using the A2 landscape card base with layer and adhere your panel. For more inspiration, visit our samples gallery, like us on Facebook, and follow us on Pinterest and Instagram.